Okay, let me download the Kdenlife's latest version. Okay, let's do this. In my Brave browser, just go to Kdenlive. Okay, Kdenlife. Yeah, this one. And simply download. Usually, I'll just download the portable version because it fits in my workflow. Yeah, this one. I don't know why my internet is so slow. Okay, and I just click standalone, and I think it's going to download to my download folder. Just save it. Yep, here we go. Just right click it. Okay, and then Windows E, and just go to my download folder, and I'll see this Kdenlive 24.12.3 standalone. Okay, right click it, and I just run as admin. Just click more info, and then run anyway. Okay, and it's going to download to my downloads folder, or in your case, it can be any folder that you designate your download to. Okay, just extract it. Okay, and here you see, let me just remove the original file, execute file. That's the one we have, and we just Control X, cut it, and I just cut it and paste it to my USB key, which is my G drive. Okay, you just click somewhere in the space and then Control V, and it's gonna be pasting to my G drive. Anyways, yeah, it's about to finish. Yep, good. And I'm going to delete my old Kdenlive, which is this one, 24.12.2. Okay, Windows X, I to call out the command prompt and use the command remove, which is RM, and then I just drag the file here and then /force, and then just press A to delete everything inside this folder. Remove that. Okay, should be fine. Okay, and then Windows E, and let me just open my G drive, and it should disappear. And I have the latest version, Kdenlive 24.12.3. Double click it, go to bin, just press K until I hit the execute file. Double click it. Since I installed the old version before, so I have my old setup, so I can just press Control O, and then I have all the old Kdenlive stuff. If it is your fresh install, you have to create a new profile that works for you. So here, just press Control Shift, comma, and then I'll bring up the configure window, and you can go to the environment tab and just define the FFmpeg, the path for your default folder, your Python folder, default apps, whatever, something like that. And here I'll just create everything inside my G drive. So you see the G drive Kdenlive something, but in your case, it may be in different folders. So just bear in mind. Okay, and if you go to, let me see, now you have to create your own new default folder. So here you can just press Control N to bring up your project settings, and you can, so again, you have to specify your project folder. Usually you have the default project folder, but since I have my previous version, so you see my custom folder, and here you can select whatever resolution, something like that. If you want to go for the portrait, the vertical one, simply hit custom, just open the detail, and you can select whatever resolution, like vertical HD 30 fps, whatever. Okay, so but since I got it, I can simply press Control O, and I just load up my previous. Okay, let me just delete this one. Okay, and I should have this vertical Kdenlive. Okay, and here it's going to ask whether you want to overwrite your subtitle track, which is in .a SAA, SSA, whatever, I can't remember. Usually you can just overwrite it. Okay, you have a blank interface to work on. And now I'm going to load up my video, which is the raw juggle 180, the one that I just juggled. And actually, I've done the transcoding already because I don't want to show my background. And the first draft is in my audio cap folder. And just go back, and it should be this one. Edit 1C juggle 180. So just pretend that I've already transcode my raw video. This one. That's my raw video.
Okay.
Because in Windows 11 I can't view the .mov that was shot in my iPhone. But when you drag the file here, you will see the whole thing. Okay, yeah, you see the whole thing, and I'm not going to do the transcode here. And just remove it. Okay, and just pretend that we've already transcoded, and yeah, I've just add something here. I'm going to continue on how I apply the composition to make it a sketch-like video. Okay,